like it needs some help.
Hello there. What's wrong?
Our tractor is broken, and we can't fix it.
Looks like a simple fix. I'll need some tools. Okay, friends, let's find a wrench and a screwdriver. Almost there. Just a little tighter. It's alive! All right!
Let's get this tractor sparkling! This is so much fun!
Let's get all this mud off!
Here comes the rinse!
Now for the finishing touches!
Ta-da! Look at that shine! We did a great job, didn't we?
Let's take it for a spin! Looking good, everyone! Let's keep this momentum going! Aye, aye, Captain. This soil is perfect! Let's plant these seeds!
Give them some water to help them grow. Look at all these crops. Let's get these ready for market.
Fresh produce for sale!
We did it!
Okay, everyone. If we move the hay bales over there before the morning, we should be finished in time for the Harvest Festival.
What a great day! Good morning, everyone! It's gonna be a perfect day for planting.
Oink! Moo! Cluck! Good morning, everyone! What should we do today?
Let's make it another great day! Wow! This farm looks like it needs some help! Hello, I'm Monkey. What's wrong with the ditch? It's broken! No water for the crops!
The plants look thirsty, Cow.
They are. We need to fix the ditch.
Can we fix it together, Rooster?
Of course. Follow me.
See? Big crack! No water can pass!
Everyone, find what you can.
Almost. Got it!
This mud is so gooey. These sticks will help hold the mud.
Pile the rocks here. Sticks over there.
Let's fill
this crack carefully.
These sticks will make it strong.
Make sure it's packed tight. We don't want any leaks. That looks much better.
It seems strong and sturdy now.
Excellent work, everyone. Just as I envisioned.
Here goes nothing. It works.
The plants are happy! Look at the beautiful flowers!
The grass tastes so much better now.
A successful farm, thanks to my leadership.
We did it! We helped the farm!
Hooray! We work together!
This is the best farm ever!
Wow! Look at all those apples!
Welcome to the orchard. We're ready to harvest. We need to reach those high branches. Any ideas?
I'll hold this plank steady. We did it! Now, let's get those apples! Almost there!
Got 'em!
Catch! Got it!
These apples look delicious. This basket is overflowing. It's so heavy. Easy does it. The wagon is getting full.
That's it! One more basket over here.
Just a few more to go.
This is the last one. We did it! The wagon is full! Let's rest for a moment.
Here you go, everyone. Enjoy! These apples are so delicious! That was just what we needed.
great harvest!
Hey, everyone! We need to fix the fence!
Of course, Monkey. We'll help.
Okay, just a little bit longer. Perfect!
Heave ho!
Wow, we did a great job.
What should we cook together? Fresh tomatoes, lettuce, and carrots. Make sure to wash them really well.
Stirring gently, like this.
Needs a little more salt.
Plates and forks, everyone.
Here you go, a bowl of delicious soup. This is the best soup ever. Let's clean up together.
All right, I'm here, the famous Grapevine Farm. And look at these beauties. Don't mind if I do. Wow, look at all these grapes. They look amazing. I wonder if they taste as good as they look. Wow, look at these. They are absolutely perfect. The biggest and juiciest grapes in the whole vineyard. All tucked in. Now for a little sunshine and water, and we'll have grapes in no time. Drink up, little grapevines. Gotta make sure you're nice and healthy.
There we go, a little snack for the grapes. Gotta make sure they're nice and strong for the harvest. Ah, ah.
Yes, this one is perfectly ripe. Another big bunch for the basket. Almost full. Woo, looking good.
Gotta pack 'em fast, gotta pack 'em neat. These are the sweetest grapes you'll ever eat.
Sunny Meadows Farm. Cabernet Franc. Nice and clear. That should do it.
Here you go, guys. These grapes are super sweet today. Dig in. Drink up, little flowers. You're gonna be beautiful. Look at that beauty. Nobody grows them like Nim does. And then I swung across the cham, grabbed the biggest bunch of bananas, and brought them right here. Dig in, guys. Breakfast time, everyone. Dig in. There's plenty for all my friends.
Wait, are we supposed to add the... All right, time to get this bread shaped up. A little tuck here, a little roll there. Ta-da! Best loaf in the jungle. Okay, if we head north past the Whispering Falls, we can use the old bridge, then cut east right here. That's the fastest route for the migration. Hello, pig. I'm here to help with the farm. Welcome, macaque. We're glad to have you.
Dear, there's so much trash.
It's getting worse every day. We need to do something about the trash.
I agree. It's affecting the farm.
Let's come up with a plan.
What if we recycle the trash?
Great idea. We can sort it into different bins.
And we can compost the food scraps.
Paper goes in this bin.
And glass goes in that one. These food scraps will make great fertilizer.
It's good for the soil. These trees will help clean the air.
And provide shade for everyone.
These plants need lots of water.
We must take good care of them.
Wow, the farm looks so much better. We did it!
We did it! Recycling is easy and helps the environment.
Join us in keeping the farm clean.
Look how well these plants are growing with compost.
It's a natural fertilizer.
Teamwork makes the dream work. We're all in this together.
Welcome to our team.
Now we can recycle even more. This is much more efficient. Our compost pile is growing.
More compost means healthier plants.
Our garden is so beautiful.
Thanks to our hard work. Our water is clean and clear now.
Protecting our water is important.
We're all so much healthier.
A clean environment makes a big difference.
Our products are eco-friendly and delicious. Fresh and organic products.
Support our eco-friendly farm.
Thank you for supporting our farm.
our eco-friendly farm tour.
We are committed to sustainable practices.
For a healthier planet.
We did it!
We saved the farm!
A beautiful ending to a successful day. Together, we can make a difference.
Good night, everyone.
See you tomorrow!